The 2023 Volvo XC90 will be your new favorite travel companion. Like its predecessors, this new SUV will offer you reliable luxury and bold styling every time you leave the house. While we haven't received a ton of official information about the 2023 release, the following shares our speculations. Our team members can also make sure you're signed up for updates on this SUV, so don't hesitate to reach out. Open the doors and let the comfort of the 2023 Volvo XC90 wrap around you. We expect this full-size SUV to continue to be available with premium materials and an intelligent Google entertainment system, with innovations to make your driving experience even more comfortable, entertaining, and user-friendly. We expect it to remain the largest vehicle in our new inventory. Compare 6-seat and 7-seat models side by side. Whichever seating setup you choose, you'll enjoy a well-rounded interior filled with available features like a rearview mirror compass, a 360-degree camera system, and self-cleaning headlights. You can also add luxuries with our advanced style package at Gunther Volvo Cars Daytona Beach. We're very proud to provide you with an efficient model that gives families an adaptable setup. Lay the seats flat for a cargo area that can carry stacks of suitcases or groceries and can also be used to tie down furniture. It should also offer capable towing capacity. The 2022 model can tow between 4,000 and 5,000 pounds depending on which engine option you choose when properly equipped. You can learn more about this 2022 version by browsing through our selection of new Volvo cars for sale.